These are my current 5-finger beauty favorites. Basically, if my hand was a claw machine and I had to grab 5 of my beauty favorites, these would be them. First, we have the Tower 28 Serum Concealer. This is by far my most reached for concealer recently. This is my perfect everyday concealer. This is the perfect amount of coverage for me. I love the formula. It's really lightweight. I find that as I'm getting older, I've been reaching for products that show my skin more. But another thing that I love about this is that you can build it up and the coverage can be a little bit more glam. You guys know my obsession with the Westman Atelier blushes. This is shade Pop It. I really love all of the shades, but I've been reaching for this one lately and it is so beautiful. I really just love a pop of pink for the summer. Tarte Go with a Faux Freckle Pen. If I ever do faux freckles, I always use this. It's just really easy, quick, simple to use. This is the Rare Beauty Liquid Highlighter. The shade is Flaunt. I've been using this shade so much this summer. It's just this really pretty bronzy shade. What I love about these is these look like your skin. Lastly, we have the Kylie Cosmetics Coconut 2.0 Lip Glaze. I got this in the lip kit. Obsessed with the color. This formula is unreal. It feels amazing on the lips. So glossy. Okay, you guys, here is the final look. What do we think? Which product is your favorite?